For a long time, we believed Kepler-90 star had only 7 planets till in 2017. A newly trained AI model by NASA and Google found the presence of 8th planet called Kepler-90I. From that time, scientists understood the importance of AI, and in 2020, NASA launched Perseverance rover was completely equipped with AI. This was first one of its kind. What might surprise you the most is that its landing was completely monitored and controlled by its AI software. There was no human intervention during this crucial process. It is the first rover on Mars to do so. But that's not the only thing that makes this rover special. It travels the surface of Mars at its own with no commands from NASA, and when it conducts any experiment on Martian soil, it itself matches the results with all previous data we have collected so far. This rover is equipped with the most advanced research laboratory than any other rover landed on the surface of Mars so far. On April 1st, 2026, 4 astronauts became the first humans since 1972 to leave Earth's orbit and circle the Moon. But behind them, something unprecedented was flying the mission too: artificial intelligence. Unlike Apollo's rigid, rule-based computers, Orion runs on adaptive AI systems to maintain a precise trajectory. The spacecraft relies on AI-driven optical navigation using high-resolution cameras to capture images of the Moon and Earth against the backdrop of stars. AI also tracks the crew's sleep, stress, and cognitive performance, helping mission control adjust schedules on the fly. And when astronauts need answers fast, natural language interfaces let them query technical manuals without digging through pages of documentation. But AI didn't fly this mission alone. Orion's heat shield had an untested flaw, and it was human engineers, not algorithms, who solved it by hand before re-entry. That's the real story of Artemis II. Not a machine replacing humans, but a partnership. A digital co-pilot managing trajectory and life support while astronauts pushed further into deep space than anyone has in over 50 years. In 2028, NASA will launch the first nuclear-powered quadcopter to explore Saturn's moon, Titan. But here's the catch. Titan is so far away that even a signal moving at the speed of light takes over an hour to reach it. That means Dragonfly can't wait around for instructions from Earth. It has to think for itself. Using AI, this flying drone scans the ground below, picks safe spots to land, and hops across Titan's surface almost entirely on its own. It manages its own power, fights off temperatures colder than anywhere on Earth, and makes real-time decisions with zero human help in the moment. Mission Control just gives it the big goal. Dragonfly figures out the rest. Since then, we have talked about role of AI in spacecrafts. How can we forget about satellites? There are over 7,000 Starlink satellites orbiting Earth right now, and no human team could ever keep up with all of them by hand. That's why AI runs the show up there. Each satellite constantly tracks nearby objects, calculates collision risk, and if the danger gets too high, fires its thrusters and moves completely on its own. No ground approval needed. And this isn't rare. Starlink satellites performed over 300,000 of these autonomous dodges in a single year. That's this network quietly avoiding disaster thousands of times a day. From Orion's AI co-pilot, to a drone thinking for itself on Titan, to satellites dodging collisions every single day. The truth is, none of this is possible without AI. It's not just helping us reach deeper into space anymore. It's the reason we can.